In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create mandatory steps within your CRM. So, an example. Imagine that we have here a card 1, for example, and I need my salesperson, when they move this card to the side, to fill in a mandatory information, otherwise they can't progress with this card. So how can I make this automation happen? So the first step is, I access this card, and here I come to create a field. In the field, I'll put an example, a list field. Here I'll just put a few numbers, right? I estimate that I have multiple options, 1, 2, and 3. This specific field needs to be filled in order to proceed. This could be a payment method. You input the options here that your salesperson needs to fill out to progress. I come here and put it now, required in the step. Let's say it's from step 2 onwards. And I'll put a save. All right, I've got my step here. I've got the custom fields. And now what do I need to do? I'm going to save it. Now imagine a situation where my salesman needs to move this card to the side, but this information needs to be filled in. When I go to move the card, what happens now? He loses that option. So I have several other formats that I can leave a field open, a date, a message. So regardless of what you make mandatory, he won't be able to fill in this field. He won't be able to progress without this field being filled. I hope this video helped. See you next time.